Hello, my dear friends. Today, we'll prepare powerful anti-aging masks using a simple ingredient, zucchini. To make all these recipes, you'll need 1 fresh zucchini. Why zucchini? Zucchini is rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and minerals. It hydrates the skin, improves elasticity, and helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles. First, blend the zucchini into a smooth puree. You'll use this base for all the recipes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new beauty secret. First recipe, rejuvenates and refreshes. Use pure zucchini puree. Benefits: it hydrates dry skin, soothes inflammation, and brings back a healthy natural glow. How to use: apply the zucchini puree to your clean face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool water. Pat dry and apply your favorite light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Second recipe, gently exfoliates and brightens. 1 tablespoon of zucchini puree. ½ teaspoon of sea salt. Benefits: this gentle scrub removes dead cells, brightens the skin, and improves texture. Mix well. How to use: apply to clean skin, face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Massage gently in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Use 1 to 2 times a week. If you're enjoying these recipes, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and share this video with a friend. Third recipe, hydrates and soothes. 1 tablespoon of zucchini puree. A little grated cucumber. One teaspoon of yogurt. Benefits: deep hydration, calming effect, and a fresh glow. Mix well. How to use: apply to your clean face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Let us know in the comments. Where are you watching from? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Fourth recipe, nourishes and softens. 1 tablespoon of zucchini puree, 1/2 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, Benefits: this mask deeply nourishes the skin, improves elasticity, and makes it feel soft and smooth. Mix well. How to use: apply to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Fifth recipe: detoxifies and revitalizes. 1 tablespoon of zucchini puree, 1 tablet of spirulina crushed into powder, Benefits: spirulina detoxifies, rejuvenates tired skin, and boosts collagen naturally. Mix well. How to use: apply to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Sixth recipe: firms and repairs, skin. 1 tablespoon of zucchini puree, 1 teaspoon of snail gel. Benefits: this powerful combo tightens, smooths, and deeply repairs the skin barrier. Mix well. How to use: apply to clean skin, face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and follow with a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.